Today, we continue our English numbers lesson. Today, we continue our English numbers lesson. Last time we learned 1 to 10. Last time we learned 1 to 10. Now we will learn the numbers after 10. Now we will learn the numbers after 10. We will start with 11 to 20. We will start with 11 to 20. Then we will practice tens up to 100. Then we will practice tens up to 100. Listen, repeat, and count with me. Listen, repeat, and count with me. 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15. Notice the pattern. Notice the pattern. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20. Now you can count from 11 to 20. Now you can count from 11 to 20. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. These are the tens. These are the tens. Let us count by tens. Let us count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Great job. Great job. Look at the apples. Look at the apples. There are 12 apples. There are 12 apples. Look at the books. Look at the books. There are 24 books. There are 24 books. Look at the stars. Look at the stars. There are 37 stars. There are 37 stars. Numbers are everywhere. Numbers are everywhere. Now let us practice the pattern. Now let us practice the pattern. What is 11 plus 1? What is 11 plus 1? 12. 12. What is 14 plus 1? What is 14 plus 1? 15. 15. What is 19 plus 1? What is 19 plus 1? 20. 20. What comes after 20? What comes after 20? 21. 21. What comes after 30? What comes after 30? 31. 31. What comes after 40? What comes after 40? 41. 41. Say the number, then say the word. Say the number, then say the word. 11 pencils. 11 pencils. 15 pens. 15 pens. 20 chairs. 20 chairs. 21 desks. 21 desks. 31 books. 31 books. 41 stars. 41 stars. Great repetition makes strong memory. Great repetition makes strong memory. Quick quiz. Quick quiz. What comes after 18? What comes after 18? 19. 19. What comes after 90? What comes after 90? 100. 100. How do you say 37? How do you say 37? 37. 37. You did a great job today. You did a great job today. See you in the next lesson. See you in the next lesson.